In this video, I will show you how you can wipe the cache partition on your Samsung tablet. Now to do that, first of all, just power off your tablet. For that, just open the power menu and select power off. Once your tablet is completely powered off, now just press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. Now let's press and hold the power button and the volume up button. Now just keep pressing and holding both of these buttons until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. As you see the Samsung logo on the screen, just release both of the buttons. And as you can see, we have successfully entered into recovery mode. But if your tablet is running on an older version of One UI, like the One UI 1, 2, etc., so on those tablets, after you power off your tablet, you will need the charging cable of your tablet. Now just plug in one end of your cable to your laptop, or you can plug it to your PC and plug the other end of your charging cable to your tablet as you press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Like as you press and hold the power button and the volume up button, just plug in the cable in your tablet as you press and hold both of the buttons. And after you do that, you will enter into recovery mode. Now to navigate this screen, just press the volume down button. Now just press the volume down button and select Wipe Cache Partition. After that, just press the power button to confirm Wipe Cache Partition. Now just press the volume down button and select yes, and press the power button to confirm this action. And as you can see, we have successfully wiped out the cache partition on our tablet. Now from here, just select Reboot System Now and press the power button to confirm this action. And this is how you can wipe the cache partition on your Samsung tablet. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.